Everyone, welcome to the HTML module. In this particular lecture, we will discuss the basics of HTML. Let's begin with an analogy. We know that a human body consists of a skeleton system. That skeleton system defines the shape of our body. Similarly, web page use HTML to define the structure of a web page. A human skeleton system use bones to define the shape of our body. Just like this, HTML use tags to define the structure of a web page. Tags are nothing but special keyword enclosed by less than and greater than sign. This is known as opening tag, and the tag with additional forward slash is known as closing tag. The content that we want to show on our web page has to go within these opening and closing tag. And together with opening tag and closing tag with content is known as HTML element. Before we start coding, we need to understand the structure of a HTML file. A basic HTML file consists of three tags. First one is HTML tag. Anything related to HTML has to go within this HTML tag. Inside HTML tag, we define two tags. First one is head tag and second one is body tag. Inside head tag, we define all the browser related data that we don't want to show on our web page. Like we define the title of our web page. This title will not appear on our web page, but it will appear in the tab at the top of the window.